Christina. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another review video where I share some reviews with you guys. So we're just going to jump right into it like always. The first thing I'm going to share with you guys is something that I don't actually have with me today. I'm going to insert a picture right here. And this is a blanket that I got from my best friend. It's a teal color and it matches the color of her whole house. Like she has a teal bedding, she has a teal chair and stuff like that all over her house. So I got that for her. It is a really, really soft throw blanket and it is super, super soft. I think it was pretty affordable. I do get a partial refund on that when I finish my review, which I have already done other than just sharing with you guys on a video. So I wanted to share that with you guys. If you want to see more about my review and what she had to say about it, you can check out my Instagram. There'll be a picture of it as well, that same picture, and then the review, of course. But yeah, I definitely recommend it for a gift. She loves it. She uses it. She put it on her bed and started using it the moment she got it. So it's soft. It's really, really pretty, great quality. So definitely good. Okay. The next thing I want to share with you guys, I was actually really, really sad about because I took this out myself and it didn't break. Okay, my son went to take this out of the box, so the second time it got taken out of the box it broke. So I'm not sure that I can say 100% that I would recommend these. They are really cool when you turn them on because they light up here on the side, so that's really, really cool. I don't know, because they are $30 and I don't know, they might be worth it for I was gonna say kids headphones, but all he did was take it out of the box and it broke. So I'm gonna have to say that I wouldn't recommend these. Plus the earphones are too small for my ears comfortably. You see what I mean? They're I don't know. This one is going to be a definite no for me, but they are really cool on here. I would definitely check out other reviews if you've been looking for a pair of headphones like these or you're interested in these. I would definitely look at other reviews, but this is probably a no-go for me. I'm going to try to tape it together and see if I can keep using it, but I don't like the fit of them, and I don't like that they broke so easily. Okay, so the next thing I want to share with you guys is this Coast brush that I got with one of the palettes, one of the first palettes I got, not the newer ones that I have. And this brush is really, really, I don't like it at all. I don't like it at all. I tried to use it for lots of different stuff. It broke the moment I got it, and it broke again. I already tried to fix it. The brush doesn't work that great. It's just, I don't know. There's nothing about this brush that I like. So I would definitely shop Coast for the palettes. Those are really great, but don't shop it thinking that this brush is going to be good because I don't like it. So I really don't think a lot of you guys are going to like it. The next thing I'm going to share with you guys is this large extended gaming mouse for a PC and laptop. This thing is really cool. This thing is huge. So I haven't decided if I'm going to let my friend who does a lot of computer gaming use this or if I'm going to keep using it. But it's really cool. I like to use it just to put over the top of my desk, kind of like this. And then I don't have to worry about my small mouse pad, But this is really cool. So this is super, super long. This could even double as a card mat if you play cards, if you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I wanted to share this with you guys in case there's, in case you guys have been looking for one like this. So I would definitely recommend this. This is super cool, super good quality. It's just really good. So if you're looking for one of these, I would definitely check this one out. For sure. Okay, next is one of the coolest things ever. A lot of the stuff that I'm going to share with you guys, I got for a discount or for free. I think a lot of the stuff I just got for a discount. So I did pay some for all this stuff, The next thing is really cool. I can't wait to use this. I wanted to show it with you guys first before I start using it. I will share with you guys about it in the next review video. I'll share whether or not I liked it. But this one, it looks like that. And it comes with all these different tips, okay? This which is why I want to share it with you guys, because if you've been looking for one, I've been looking for one, so I was super excited to try this one. It has an orthodontic tip for if you have like braces. It has a tongue scraper. I mean, there's so many different tips to do, and I'm definitely gonna use these because these are the water flosser ones. So I'm excited to try that. So exciting. So these are the tips that go on it. Then it comes with this cool reservoir, which has this thing that comes off easily. Easy peasy. Pretty simple. It looks like it's pretty simple to use. I'm going to try that here in a few minutes. So I'm super excited about that. But so far, I'm super impressed with the quality of it and the amount of stuff that came with it, because I've been looking at water flossers and that one looks really good. So definitely stay tuned for that. Next, I want to share with you guys this really cool doorbell. This one isn't as good as the one that I have. If you've been looking for one and you're looking for one that has 2 receivers, definitely message me and I can get you the link to the one that I have, because I absolutely love it. But this new one is really, really cool. It's loud on some of the songs, and some of the songs aren't as loud, or just the doorbell. It's loud enough that I can hear it because I'm deaf in one ear, so it's a little harder for me to hear. But one of the songs on here is so loud. But this button is really big too, so if someone's older and they want to get one of these, just so people can, you have older people that come over, they'll see it. They just push the button and you plug this into the wall and it sings whatever song you want. So you just use this to pick which song you want, and easy peasy. That's as simple as that. So it's really cool. I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for one receiver one. So like I was saying, I have the one that has 2 receivers, and that's because I'm deaf. So when I'm laying in bed, like at night, sometimes I get mail delivered in the morning. So I have a receiver in my bedroom so that way I can hear it. So it'll be loud enough for me to hear it. And then I have one in my living room because my house is long-wise. So I wouldn't be able to hear the one in my bedroom. So I put a receiver in the living room so I hear that. So I really like mine, and I really think this is a good one too if you're looking for a 1 receiver. So definitely cool. And this is going to my friend. He's been looking for one that has a 1 receiver. So that way he has a doorbell, but he can't ever hear it down in his basement. So he's going to put this one up, and he'll be able to hear it when he's down in the basement. And then when he's up at the top of the house, he'll be able to know that somebody's there. So, or maybe he'll leave both up. I don't know. The next thing I want to share with you guys is this right here. This is like a car vacuum, spot vacuum, whatever you want to call it. This thing is amazing. I actually babysit some kids every once in a while, and my kids are super messy. So this is an easy, really cool way for me to vacuum up in between vacuums. Like, I have carpet in my dining room, which is like so annoying, but I love this house, so I was just like, dang it, we can fix that later. So I do have to spot vac in there, and this has like a big hole. Instead of just being like a little tiny, can't pick up these big pieces. This actually picks up like bigger pieces of chips and stuff. So it sucks it up in there, easy to take apart, easy to dump out. My husband said, oh, I need that for my car. And I was like, but I need this for my dining room, which is carpet. I have to vacuum it every day. So I want to spot vac in between having to vacuum. Because I can't vacuum, like, say the kids are here and they have breakfast and they get Pop-Tart crumbs all over the floor. I could spot vac that a little. And then for lunch, they have chips and sandwiches, and they make breadcrumbs and chips all over the floor. I can spot vac a little. And then when they go home in the evening, then I can actually use the vacuum. I know it kind of seems like it takes longer, but it actually helps me out by doing the spot vacuuming. And plus, I don't have my house looking gross all day. So I would definitely recommend that. I think it's a great price. I bought my husband one for his car, and it was kind of like that one, but it was smaller, and he hates it. It's like it doesn't have as big of a piece on the top, so it just doesn't like do anything at all. So he really hates it, and it was cheaper than that one, but not by much. So he was really, really excited when we got that one. That one's really good. So I would definitely pay the little bit extra to get that one for sure. If I were you and you were looking for one, I would definitely go ahead and pick up that one. The next thing I want to share with you guys is this moon. Okay? It's got like this little stand, so it sits there like that. I'm going to turn it on and show you guys. It glows. Here's the white. It looks like a real moon. It's so pretty. And then you can just, it has a little remote and it just changes colors. If you want it to change color, you can make it green. You can make it blue. You can make it red or the white, which is my favorite, and you can turn it off. You can just, it's so cool. You can make it brighter, dimmer. It's so cool. I really like this thing. So if you're looking for like a nightlight for a kid or anything, this is really awesome. Or if you just want it in your room to look like a moon in your bedroom, I think that's really cool. I really love it. I think it's cool. So yeah, I definitely check that out if you're looking for one like that. The next time I share with you guys is this right here. I'll insert a picture right here. That was a picture of the 3-piece set. So these are really cool brushes. They're so soft. You have no idea. They're so soft. But this one I'm going to use as like a contour brush or as a highlight brush, you know, whatever I want to use it for, to put my, you know, face powder on, whatever I want to use it for. But this is so soft. They're such a great, it's a great set. I think it's really pretty just to even just display. So if you have a lot of mermaid type theme things, or you want to put this on your vanity or anything like that, I think these are really great. I think they're beautiful, and I think that anybody would really like these. I think it's a cool set. So definitely worth the money for these. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Next, I want to share with you guys something that I bought with my money. I paid for this. This was $6, and this is the most stunning highlighter ever. So it comes apart like this. This is kind of like that Cabral type thing, but it has this little brush right here. You unscrew it, and it has like this cream highlight. I usually don't like cream highlights or cream eyeshadows and cream stuff, but this is stunning. I just paint it here on the inside, and then I usually just throw a little bit of like a sparkly white powder, but I mean, it doesn't really need it. This one is the highlight in white. I'll put the link down for this below, but this is stunning. I would definitely recommend this. It's the most amazing $6 highlighter ever. I love it. So I'll try to insert a picture of the look that I did with a couple of looks maybe, or just a look that I did with this right here, to show you guys the intensity of this highlight. It's so beautiful. So definitely awesome. Check that out. And the last thing I want to share with you guys is what I'm wearing today. They're so beautiful. I have to go on there and order more, but you can actually order little samples. Okay, these are, it's hard to see with the plastic on there. Let's see if I can show you guys without dropping it and breaking it. You can actually order little samples of eyeshadows from this company. They're not like huge, but it's enough product to try it for sure. I've used this a couple times already, and there's still some shadow in there. But this is from a brand called Hypnose Cosmetics, and I got the color in Lapis. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this for you guys on the back of my hand real quick. These are so pigmented. They're so beautiful. Let me see. Look at that. That's the color that I put in my crease. I lightly put it in my crease today. It's so beautiful. I absolutely am amazed with these shadows. I need to go back and get some like mattes. I ordered a lot of shimmers and stuff from her. But the next one right here, this is the only one that broke. This one broke in transit, so that kind of sucked, but that's okay. It happens sometimes, but this is the color Venus. But there's actually, even with it breaking, there's still enough in the pan that I can use it. I was gonna fix it, but one of my kids got into my room, my beauty room in here, and they knocked it off the table. So they knocked the pieces that were broken there on it. Darn it. But I've done a really beautiful look with this too. I use this on the inner corner highlight as well. This is so pigmented and so beautiful, and it has like this like almost iridescent purplish type sheen to it. I know you probably can't see it with the lighting, but it's absolutely stunning. So I would definitely recommend that color, and that color was Venus. So pretty. And then she upgraded one of my colors, and then sent me this little palette thing here as well. And this is Jade, which is this one right here, Aquarius, which is this one right here, and Entrancement, which is right here. And I do believe that all of these are like duochromes. And I know you can't see with my lighting, but this color right here, Entrancement, is what I have on my inner corner. It's stunning. That's the color I'm wearing right there. Aquarius is like a blue with like a gold shift to it. And that's the color I'm wearing on my lid today. And then the last one in here is called Jade, and I haven't used this one yet, but it's like that brown green shift one, which I already have in my Urban Decay, and I think I have it as well for something else too, but it is beautiful. So these are all the swatches of the Hypnose Cosmetics palette, like eyeshadows that I got. These are stunning, guys. I would definitely check out that Etsy shop for sure. She has some amazing colors on there. It was really hard to pick, so I just went on there and looked at all the samples that she had and looked up all of the colors to make sure, you know, which ones I wanted to pick up first to try them. Now I'm going to go back and pick up some mattes and pick up some more of these shimmers and stuff. But these are really, really great. I've used these several times and there's still quite a bit left. So they're really good quality, really good, not bad price. So I would definitely check out the Etsy shop if you haven't already. So I think that's it for today for all the reviews. So pretty. I'm just going to flip in the light real quick again. So give me a thumbs up if you guys like me sharing reviews. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And then comment down below and let me know what you thought the coolest thing was that I shared. All the links will be down below. Or just say hi. I love to hear from you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.